Hello out there, YouTube. I want to show you a cool little tool that my son bought me at Walgreens, made by Sharper Image. Uh, it's a looks like a pen, but actually it's a precision screwdriver. You got the bits. Here's two different sizes of Phillips. You have two flatheads. And you have three torques. And there's this good part about it is that you unscrew this top and all the bits just fit right inside. So you just open it up, take out the bit you want, screw it back down, and then the bit goes right in the end like this. Use it, take it off, store it back on top, stick this in your breast pocket, and you've always got a precision screwdriver on hand. Thanks for watching.